Hi, it's Valerie from Tim's Real Estate here for your Monday Market Minute. Well, I'm sitting in my Christie's Beach office. We've got the Christmas tree up, which is fantastic, and our moving to new premises coming soon HQ on the window, which makes it a little bit darker in here. HQ is booming. This week everything goes in: the kitchen, the cafe, the painting's getting finished, the glass is going into the windows, and it is all happening. So looking forward to it because we're planning on celebrating there this weekend for our Christmas party, which is cool. Now, what's happening in the market? I've got the REIA affordability report here. For the July to September quarter, we've certainly had some changes. So housing affordability has declined in the September 2021 quarter. Income required to meet loan repayments increased to 36.2%. It's an increase of 0.9% points over the quarter. So things are getting more expensive and people are needing more income to fund their purchases and their rental properties. So we saw house prices across the nation increasing 4.5% over the September quarter, an increase of 23.4% over the past 12 months. So Tasmania for rental affordability was the least affordable state, and Victoria and Western Australia were the most affordable. What else can I tell you? Housing affordability. So basically South Australians are needing to have 30.8% of their income going towards their mortgage and 23.9% of their income going towards their rental. What about what's happening in Team Tim's? Well, if I look at my calendar year, we are almost 10% over budget. So we have produced more than 10% or almost 10% of what we planned to for this calendar year, which is amazing. Well done, Team Tim's. And we have also made over 21,000 phone calls and added another 15,000 beautiful people to our Tim's Real Estate database. Sorry, that was a Monday Market 2 minutes. Have a great week.